These guys have got an easy job today. I hear a helicopter. Can't see it though. There it comes. You just see it past the trees there. So we can walk out here and get a better look. Yeah, it looks like a military helicopter just hovering over there. There, off he goes. That's about the only thing moving around here. These guys have got an easy job today. Well, today I was coming up into the city, and I'm going to try a different restaurant today, and I thought I'd take you all along with me and maybe do a little bit of a walk around, and after we leave here we'll drive through the airport parking lot. I'll show you how deserted it is. We changed to a red zone, I believe it was yesterday or the day before, but the only difference that it's made for us is you can still sit down and eat in a restaurant, you just can't drink any alcohol. And I think they have to stop serving at 9 o'clock or something like that. I'm not really sure, but really there hasn't really been any difference. They've stopped all flights coming in and out of Chiang Mai, and actually they've stopped all domestic flights throughout the whole country from what I understand. I don't even think the buses and trains are running. Trying to restrict people's movement as much as possible and get this thing under control, which I hope they do. It's hurting a lot of people. A lot of people are having a hard time, but you know, we'll just go day by day and see what happens and do our best to try to stay away from as many people as we can. I'm in week 1 of my vaccine, but you know, they say it's 2 weeks before it even takes any kind of effect. You know, we'll just see how things go. But anyway, we're going to go ride through the airport, and then we're going to go get something to eat, and we may walk around the city a little bit, and we'll see you when we get back. Bye bye. This looks like about the loneliest place in town right now. I have never ever seen this so empty, or the parking lot so empty. There's nothing here. It's amazing. Even on a bad day, this place would be more crowded than it is right now. No planes coming in or out. parking lot's empty. Usually this place over to the right's full of motorcycles. Nothing here today. Well, there you have it. There's a riding tour of the airport. Well, we've made it up into the city. Now we're on the almost at the southeast corner of the moat, and we've got a little walk to get to the restaurant, but I figured I'd park out here. The streets are kind of narrow in there, and I didn't know exactly what the parking would be like, so I figured I'd start here and walk a little bit before we get down there. I'll turn around and let you see what we're doing. A couple of motorcycle repair shops here. Buddy cop. And we are going to go down here and take a right. And hopefully we'll escape the rain. The sky looks awful gray over there. But it's not the first time I've been wet. It won't be the last. We're at Trident Road, Lane 1. I may even walk a little bit faster to try to keep from getting wet. Some neat houses back here too. Well, I'm kind of curious to see how long these new regulations stay in effect. They're saying till the end of the month, but I have a feeling it's going to go a lot longer than that. It's going to make it hard on a lot of people, and I'm not even so sure that they're not going to increase it a little bit. We're just kind of fortunate that we can still eat inside, sit down and eat. Oh, here comes a little doggy. Let's hope he doesn't get my leg. Nope, he's on a mission. We're gonna step up our pace a little bit here because it's raining a little bit harder. Now there's where we're gonna eat. Sababa Restaurant. And we're gonna give him a shot. Hello. Whew. Wow, this looks good. Swadee Kap. Oh, what do you recommend I eat?
If I think if you come first time, I think I show this menu for you. We go have falafel, hummus, and baba and pita.
Yeah.
Pita we have gluten free and normal pita.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll have that, the normal, and a Coke Zero.
Okay.
Okay.
Normal pita, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is nice. Well, I've ordered my food, so I'll sit down and eat, and I'll show you what I get. Ah, they got cannabis here. I'm gonna try the cannabis food. Hey, I can do it now. Don't have anything to worry about. Man, I'm gonna get wet. Ooh, that looks good. Thank you. Wow, that looks really good. I'm gonna pig out. Food. And I think you'll see me again sometime. Really, really good. Finish it off with a nice tea. And I bought a brownie for Lek. I'll take that home with me.
Long time too, right? All day?
I start
In the morning?
2 a.m. and feel better,
Wow.
but all day I cannot do it.
Yeah.
That's after eating one brownie?
Before storm more than this one because the first time we just buy.
Oh, okay.
Somehow.
Okay.
I'll sneak that one in on Lek. I won't tell her what's in it.
Sababa. Great falafel. Come on down. Come on down.
There. We'll see you later. It's very, very good.
Thank you. See you
Okay.
later,ค่ะ.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
What are you feeling?
Now? I just feel, yeah,
Just normal, right?
normal, yeah.
Normal?
Relax. Yeah, a little bit normal.
Oh. That was really some good food. I'd recommend coming and checking it out. Service was great. The atmosphere was nice. Great food. But anyway, we're going to walk back to the car. The rain stopped, and I'll put a link to this place in the description where you can find it. And we're going to head for home. Swadee Kap. It was funny, as I was leaving, the guy next to me had the same thing I had, and they were asking him if he felt any of the effects of the marijuana in the food. And I don't think he did. I don't feel anything. I mean, I ate everything that was on the plate and then some. But something different, you know, who knows?